Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Conclusion. A robot vacuum cleaner is a great addition to your home and provides you with more time to do the things you enjoy most. That is, unless your thing is vacuuming. Robot vacuums are compact and will not take up too much additional space in your home and are a great addition to your home cleaning arsenal.
Take our lead.
Yes, a robot vacuum can clean any kind of floor that a canister, stick or upright can clean. However, these robotic appliances aren't the best choice to use on plush carpet. Since the wheels on a robot vacuum are smaller than those on a normal vacuum cleaner, it's common for them to get hung up on the long fibers.
Take our lead.
Once fully charged, Roomba energy consumption is about 3.6 watts in standby mode. If you need a faster charge, you can use the charger, but most people wait a day or two between vacuuming sessions. Older robot vacuums could end up wandering and wasting energy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Roomba has a lower clearance than the PowerBot, but almost 2 inches. The Samsung machine has a slightly larger dustbin than the iRobot model. You can manually steer the PowerBot using the mobile app, a feature not available on the Roomba. The PowerBot has a physical remote control that the Roomba doesn't have.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.